back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is week 3 of my endo series. I hope you enjoy today's video. We are going to be talking about the symptoms of endometriosis. If you do enjoy today's video, don't forget to hit thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. The following are just some of the many symptoms caused by endometriosis. Fatigue, intense pelvic pain, nausea, bloating, painful intercourse, bowel issues, bladder issues, pain in your back, especially lower back, pain radiating in your legs, pain in your hips, heavy bleeding, irregular periods, infertility, extreme cramps, food intolerances, digestive issues, sciatica pain, cysts, depression, anxiety, This is just to name a few of the many endometriosis symptoms. So this is the finished look. So a real nice yellow sparkly look. I hope you enjoy this look. If you recreate this, make sure you send me a picture on Instagram or Twitter or Facebook. I really like to see you guys recreate my looks. And if you liked today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family, hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys.